Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about Python and why you should learn Python in 2021. So the first thing is that Python is easy to learn. Python was initially designed for education purpose, so the syntax is very easy to understand and also very easy to learn. Compared to other languages, you can write scripts so much faster, which gives you even more time to improve your code later on, because in most cases you need less lines of codes to finish your task. And if you struggle on some tasks, you're lucky, because Python has a huge community out there. According to Stack Overflow, Python is one of the popular programming language out there, and there will be at least one person who has the same issue as you. One important aspect of Python is that you can use this for many different kinds of tasks. One of them is automation, which leads us to point number 2. It's easy to automate stuff. This point heavily correlates with the first one. So because Python is such an easy syntax and also has such great core modules, and in most cases you follow functional programming instead of object-oriented, which leads to less overhead in code, you can automate your stuff very quickly. So this is a great point, because you can write your automation script very fast, which saves you time on writing the automation script. And the second point is that you now have more time because you automated your stuff. So this is the first great point. The second big point is web development. Because of the big community, it's very easy to start web development in Python, but you have other benefits as well. One of the benefits is that Flask and Django are server-side rendered. So it's less complex because you don't have to maintain two services, the front end and back end. And it's also more SEO friendly, which will rank you higher in Google. So speaking of splitting up front end and back end, you can also do this in Python and build a RESTful API or something like that in Python. There are some frameworks and libraries which you can use for this. One of them is Fast API, or you can even use Django or Flask if you want to. So Python is very suitable for web development. The next point is data science. Python is one of the most used programming language for data science, and there are many reasons out there. One is, like I already said, the big community, and also there are great libraries and frameworks. And one of the main reasons is Jupyter Notebooks. Jupyter Notebooks is great for data science in Python because you can write your code line by line and get immediate results. So you can show your pie charts and tables and all that kind of stuff inside of Jupyter Notebooks without relying on a website or terminal and all this kind of stuff. And there are great libraries out there like Pandas, NumPy, Skippy and all this kind of stuff, which makes you the life of data science in Python very easy. Even though Python is not the best performing language out there, you get a very great performance out of these libraries, because you get the benefits of the easy syntax and easy writing code of Python, but under the hood of these libraries there's a huge and big optimized C code, so you get the benefit of a very good performing language with the very easy syntax of Python. Point number 5 is machine learning and artificial intelligence. So because you can use Python for data science, there's not that huge gap to go to machine learning and artificial intelligence. So Python is a great language to build your own machine learning models or your own artificial intelligence algorithm and all that kind of stuff. Because, like I already said, there are great libraries out there which you can use, like TensorFlow. So Google stands behind TensorFlow and is developing this. And like in data science, you also get the benefits of Python with the easy syntax and easy structure, but also with the good performance of C++, because TensorFlow is also under the hood built with C++. So this is very great. So you can use Python to build your own YouTube algorithm, which recommends videos to other people. And speaking of YouTube algorithm, it would be great if you let down a comment with your feedback on this video. It helps me very much. The last point I want to talk about is job demand. Because Python is so popular and so big, there are many companies out there using Python and also searching for Python developer. There are some famous tech companies who use Python for their services. Some of them are Google, Spotify, Instagram, and even NASA is using Python. So if you're interested in going into a coding career, Python will be a very good choice for you. So that's basically it for this video. They are my reason why you should learn Python in 2021. And if you have any questions, just leave down a comment and I will answer them all. So thanks for watching.